T-Mobile slightly lower right now, despite a beat on earnings and net customer additions and reporting record low Q1 churn. Revenue did come in below estimates. Joining us now is T-Mobile CEO Mike Sievert. Mike, it's great to have you back on the show. Walk me through the quarter, especially as you did grow your net additions and revenue did come in a bit light. Your postpaid additions and revenue did come in a bit light.
Well, it's just another great quarter for us on growth. The total revenues that you're talking about include phone sales, and they were suppressed a little bit just because upgrade rates are lighter, and that's actually a good thing. So in our industry, investors look to service revenues, and service revenues came in very solid, 3.5%, easily the best in the market, more than double the rate of growth of our benchmark competitors. And our 1.2 million net additions was, again, double the combination of AT&T and Verizon. So this consistent, reliable growth machine at T-Mobile just continues, and it's resulting in best-in-industry EBITDA growth and cash flows up nearly 40% year over year.
Okay. I am curious if the boundaries are blurring, though, because the competitive landscape seems to be shifting here. Obviously, you just had this announcement earlier this morning about a joint venture to buy more fiber. We've seen some of the cable and broadband carriers starting to expand into wireless and wired offerings in a bigger way as well. How are you thinking about that competitive landscape and the fact that you did just strike a deal for fiber? How does it speak to that?
Well, our confidence in 5G home internet really gave us, our success in that area really gave us the confidence to get involved in fiber. You know, we've been outgrowing the entire market, including the cable companies, the fiber companies, with 5G home internet for 2 years running now. And now we have more than 5 million broadband customers and a lot of know-how. So for us, getting into fiber is purely a opportunistic financial and customer experience play, because we think we have more to add here than a disinterested investor. We have a huge brand, massive distribution, tens of millions of customers, and a proven track record of being able to satisfy people in broadband. So it's a logical extension for us.
Mike, break down a little bit the growth that you saw in the quarter. How much of it was in smaller markets? What's the status on fixed wireless?
It's really interesting that a lot of people thought that our growth would come principally from smaller markets in rural areas, and we're firing on all cylinders there. But we're also extending our lead in the top 100 markets where we've always had an advantage. And then over on the business side, we're growing across the segments, enterprise, small and medium business, and that's really great to see. Government's growing. We had our best enterprise quarter ever this quarter. So these are things that are resulting in our share of postpaid net additions being actually higher than year-ago benchmark quarter. And so this growth machine at T-Mobile that a lot of people wondered, as the industry begins to slow down, what will happen? In fact, our share of total nets as the industry growth slowed down only increased.
I wonder what your perspective is on what's happening with TikTok from the sort of government standpoint, but also what's happening with Reels. It's starting to make Facebook some money. Meta did talk about that in their earnings call. How much of your consumer activity from T-Mobile subscribers is coming from dealing with that kind of thing? And how do you think newer phones might influence people's desire to use sort of those higher dollar all-you-can-eat plans?
Well, consumers have an insatiable demand for what we and all of our app partners offer. You know, connected life is so important right now, and all of those platforms are growing. And so, you know, for us, that's really gratifying. And in order for those videos to scroll immediately and without latency or hesitation, you need a great network. You know, and 75% of our customers now actually are on 5G devices, experiencing a total connectivity across all forms of devices and networks that's about double the speed of the average networks of our competitors nationwide. And so T-Mobile's got a really differentiated experience at just the moment that people are consuming all of these videos, you know, like never before.
It looks like you're raising metrics in your guidance, too. What gives you the confidence to do that as you look through the rest of the year?
It was just another strong quarter where growth came in exactly like we expected, maybe even better in some areas. And so we decided to just edge up our guidance to make sure that we're keeping investors, you know, targeted on our most contemporary views of how our year will unfold. Last year was the greatest growth year in our history. We're on track for just another fantastic year, and that's what we are expressing in our guidance.